everybody.
What do
So
manners
glad-
mean?
They mean, sit down.
Stay sitting when you're eating.
They mean put your napkin on your lap,
Mm-hmm.
and you should be eating.
Why do we like to use good table manners?
Because it's nice. Your hands are soap.
Can you say it one more time?
First, you wash your hands with soap. Then dry. Sit straight up. Sit straight up.
Need to do first.
Put your napkin on your body.
Good job. Can you do that?
Can you please pass the salt? May you please pass the Parmesan cheese?
Sure.
May you pass the Parmesan?
Nadia,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
May I have that cheese? Thanks. Oh. Please, may you pass the pretzels? Thanks. Uh-oh. Thank you for that wonderful meal. That wonderful meal.
Enjoying it.
I'm enjoying it. Thank you for this wonderful meal.
You're-
Thank you for this wonderful broccoli. May I be excused, please?
Yes, you may.
May I be excused, please?
Yes, you may.
Is that the end?